Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Denzel, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to make and animate a door opening and closing. Very simple, very easy. I believe it should be less than 10 minutes, but we'll find out as we go. Without any further ado, if you are new, click that subscribe button to join the family. If you are back, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. And if you haven't subscribed already, do well to hit that subscribe button to support me. Let's go ahead and open up Blender and get into this tutorial. Okay, I'm going to be using Blender 2.91, I believe. Yes, 2.91. So let's go ahead and create a new scene. Alright, my screen should look a little bit different from yours, but basically I replaced the outliner with image editor and deleted the default cube and everything else in the scene, so I have a fresh start. That's all, so nothing should be extra different. Let me go ahead and introduce how we're going to be making our door. So very simply, let's go into edit, preferences. Let's open up the preferences and let's type Archie or Archie, and we'll see this first option here that you click it to activate the add-on. All right, and you can close up and hit Shift A, mesh. Under Archie mesh, you go ahead to add a door. All right, very simple. We have made our door less than 3 minutes tops, less than a minute even. So we've made the door. Let's go ahead and animate it. All right, so very simple. It comes with its own handle. You can customize these properties, I believe over here, right? You can play around with these settings if you wish. We're not going into any of that in this video. Now very quickly, let's animate this door. All right, let's increase the size of this place. We're not going to be going into any fancy animation, just something very simple. All right, first things first, let's animate the handle bending. All right, let's go ahead and click this button here for auto keying. All right, once again, I'm not going to be going deep into animation, but just try to follow along. If you continue learning, it will get easier. All right, so click this button for auto keying. I will add a keyframe with every action we do, and you can go into keying and set what exactly can be, which keyframes can be added on. All right, this, if you're new, this will not make much sense, but let's just go ahead and click rotation only, since we're only going to be rotating things. All right, so let's hit R and press enter without rotating it at all. Let's jump a couple of frames forward, about 5 or 10 frames forward, and let's rotate this, I think, to about where a door handle can get to. That is about -29, -30 degrees. Let's go with 30. Okay, now simple trick, let's select this first keyframe like we select any other thing. Let's hit Control C, Control V, and paste this in a different frame on the timeline. All right, I'll paste the first one. Okay, let's play back our animation. Okay, we have the door opening. All right, let's select all these guys. I think that will be all we need. And let's hit T and hit linear. All right, just to make this smooth, straight. All right, so the door handle bends. The door has to open. So at about frame 20, where the door handle comes back, let's hit R and press enter. Let's all over to frame 40 and let's hit RZ and just rotate it some. All right, let's go to the beginning by hitting Shift and I don't know how to explain, and the back key on your keyboard. All right, so let's play this back. Okay, I think that looks nice. And for this as well, this I will leave the interpolation to Bezier. I'll leave it at that because it does exactly what we want. It slows down at the end. Okay, and that is basically it, boys and girls. We have made and animated a door in less than 10 minutes. I believe there should be 7 minutes. So, very quick, very simple, very easy. You can use this for anything you wish. Making a door, animating a door, simple in the simplest way possible. That is what I will be giving you guys on this channel on a weekly. So, if you haven't already, do have to hit that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. And until next time, guys, stay safe.